Good morning, Mr. Master Maestra, or simply, oh, simply, David. Yes, David and David. Why not? David and David. David Lynch. It's January 16th, 2024, and it's Tuesday here in Naples. Once again at the trend of 2023 after 4 days with the beautiful skies and sunshine. And yes, also yesterday, if you saw the weather reports of yesterday was in this way. Yes, grey, cloudy atmosphere in general and sky, and I think we're going also to rain, and it's between early and late afternoon, 14 and 10 practically. 68 and 68 and 68 Fahrenheit, 16 Celsius. And this means that it's really cold, like in this video, even if as you followed me in this period, in last period of 2023 in particular, since November 1, but in general, since all the autumn, with these degrees, it doesn't really feel cold. Yes, and as I remember, never like this year, in the past years, you had an autumn or winter like this, and a winter like this, and this adjective, in fact, about the adjective cold, it's an adjective that I use always in this period, since first weather reports about 2 years ago, but for these reasons, the degrees, it's not so valid at all, in fact, because I repeat, these degrees, it doesn't really feel this atmosphere, this period, and the last for me, from this point of view, for the degrees, always nothing to say, nothing to add. Absolutely, I can complain, but not, absolutely not for the atmosphere. In fact, I prefer the some of things on this. Being really afternoon, I think at the temperature for this, I repeat, as just before, 16 Fahrenheit, 16 Celsius. But the really important thing is the atmosphere, set as anticipated. As before, the new this. As usual in this period, thanks to the fact that there is a good thing and not any if this is another room. Yes, so it's a good thing, and as in fact, as you notice, and I repeat, totally white, cloudy. I think even if it's going to the end of the next few hours will become more totally dark, and also at the cold rain, if not in a few minutes, but there's always in the magicians or wizards in this points we see, and if it's clear, it's like I'm screaming. Bed, so this is a beautiful natural place, and also mi si suggesti in Pune, so da nome la cabana, also con una Sagan Pix, and this place literally stand in the midst of the stem, so it is a few years ago, and as you know, much better than me, in the episode 15 of season 2 of Twin Peaks, but whatever, always and also readings from Winomelas Speed himself, and also from that by Johnson, and perhaps also from that by other persons who sometimes passed the door. I mean mainly that other guy in Irvington. And finally, from a medieval keyboard mini GX 640 APG 625. Eva, the theme of the people. We follow the channel reverse. Yes, really greeting the world. Also to my brother and my sister, to us in this case. And finally, I hope you have a great breakfast. Today is late, 14 and 10, repeat, but still not like the record I reaction last December 9, Saturday, December 9, 2023, when in fact I made the breakfast at 15 and 10 practically. We are close, but still not. Today I just repeat 14 and 10, but the important thing is that in some way also today, fortunately, it is the sun. I'm really hungry, and as soon as I see
Breakfast is always one of the most beautiful things in life in the world. Absolutely. Pass tomorrow.